I accidentally deleted the last live stream, so I gotta do it again. I'm Anthony Ford. I'm the proprietor of Kong Armor. Behind me here, we're in Cincinnati, Ohio. Behind me here, I have a deck that just a few days ago had wood rot, mildew growth, algae, and also a Peeling Behr Deck Over situation. This deck looked like it had leprosy. And today, now, after Kong Armor deck painters came in with our ultra tough, ultra thick, highly adhesive deck armor, lifetime deck armor, we came in and did lockdown. First we fixed everything, all the wood rot, all that, and then we came in and did lockdown encapsulation on this Peeling Behr Deck Over system, and it's just turned out from what it was to what it is now. It's a complete 180. Let's take a look at it. It turned out gorgeous. So if you guys remember, and if you go to our page, you can look on our page and see that just a few days ago this deck was shot. In a lot of cases, beyond what most deck contractors would say, they would specify replacement. Kong Armor, we saved this family thousands of dollars first off. So like here, I remember in the previous video, and you can just use the hashtag Salem Red and you'll be able to find that previous video. We had rot here. We're gonna come in with the silverback epoxy system. This is not very deep. It's about right there. From about here down, that's all good board. We'll hit this with rot shot, kill all that rot, come in with silverback epoxy, fill that, smooth that over, you'll never know it was there. We came in with rot shot, cured all that rot, come in with silverback epoxy and filled that in and knifed this over, and we've coated this, and you'll never have, that's harder than concrete, they'll never have a problem out of that. The silverback epoxy itself is way stronger than wood, but if you look, this it was just immensely, I mean, this floor looked like it had leprosy. It just had big blotches of Peeling Behr Deck Over everywhere. Kong Armor has come in and we've done a lockdown encapsulation of this, and it's just turned out really super well. Very beautiful. Up there in the corner I have a little spot that I'm fixing, so don't pay attention to that. That's not done yet. But the rail system, it's got a nice super thick build on it. You have splinter lock technology here. This texture look that you have, that you're seeing, this is not Kong Armor. This is this had textured Peeling Behr Deck Over on it, and we've encapsulated it. So our coating, we can make it finish like this, but it doesn't typically have this textured look to it. All this is now water locked really well. Turned out very beautiful. These guys, look at this. Look at this thick build encapsulation. Just super pretty. That's tough as nails. That's tough as a silverback. Very beautiful. It'll take the sun 1,000,000 years to break this down. Look at that. Just super thick build everywhere. Nice and pretty. We'll come up here and look at it from this way. From the Peeling Behr Deck Over mess that this was to what it is now, it's an unbelievable transformation. I'm so happy for these people. I'm so happy for my customers here. Great people. They just, you know, did not want their deck to look like that anymore. And we were able to come in and lock down and encapsulate this, and it looks amazing. It looks very beautiful. They're extended a lifetime limited warranty, and super important, they're extended lifetime service, which is something that no deck painters on the planet will give you besides Kong Armor, right here in northern Kentucky, Cincinnati, southeast Indiana, the tri-state. Visit www.callarmor.com to get a free quote today.